Yeah, you know, D-Shade in the building. 876Muzik 2026. You know I go. Keep tuned, people. Big up on yourself. One. Yeah, yo. New year, new style. Big up to the people, them, you see me? Whole heap of people wheel up in the street, whole heap of people yell way up in the streets, you see me? Big up to them people, like we always in the streets, eh? Yeah, man. 876Muzik up and running. Yes, man. We're gonna upgrade the thing. You see me? So let's look out for more interviews, you see me? And more music. Yeah. Big up to people like Avante, you see me? Big up to people like One Vision, you see me? Big up to people like Intellectual Danger. Yeah, man. Big up to all of them people, there, man. You know it go. See, big up on Ninja Dallas, you see me? Yeah, man. Big up Bobo, you see me? Ross Bobo, big up yourself, you see me? Big up the whole link, man. I don't know anything go. Activate. Big up yourself, you see me? I know anything stay, man. Big up to all artists, you see me? I don't know. Can't remember all of them off the top of my head one time. But big up the artists like Simflow, you see me? Big up artists like Graphics. That is it. Manners, you know? Yeah, man. Big up artists like Zintos, you see me? And manners in the fire. We're there, you see me?
Bless up, you know?
Ah, straight. That is it. Blessing. All the best in New Year there. Aye. Yo. Yeah, so what am I do there? You know, as me I say, no members couple of the people them, but big up on yourself, see them, you see me? Big up couple of the people them who just there in the industry, you see me? Red Black, you see me? Super Suds, Goatee. Yeah, man, them people who I'm seeing on the streets, you see me? People them from Cassia Park, people them from Washington Girl, Buttardi. Yeah, man. UK, big up yourself, you don't know. Yeah, man, big up to people them out there, man, you see me? We're in the streets all the while, you see me? New year, new style, you know I go. Yes, I. As you can see, greenery. You know I go, prosperity. Big up the artist, One Vision. Big up to all of the hustlers them out there in the streets, you see me? So I can't remember all of the artists them, but you don't know. Big up J.A. Bucky Joe, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know. Get the link, you see me? Yeah, man.